Good morning, class. Now, today we have to start chapter number 9 of the chapter number 9 of language book, as we have completed chapter number 4 in literature. Now we have to start language. Now we have to complete 3 chapter in language. Then we will start doing workbook and reader book. Chapter number 9 is pronoun and its kind. Pronoun and its kind. Pronoun is what? Pronoun is the word which is used in the place of noun, means which replace noun. And why we use noun? Why we use pronoun? We use pronoun to short the sentence, means whenever we write the sentence, we use same thing again and again. So avoid this, we use pronoun. Suppose pronouns are the words which are used in the place of nouns. The nouns Priyal, Satvik, students and car can be replaced by pronoun she, he, they and it. She, he, they and it. Means, suppose I am writing a sentence like as I am writing a sentence as Priyal is a good girl. Then Priyal is very beautiful. Priyal has a brother. Okay, so we are repeating the same name again and again, so it's not look good. So what we can do, we have to use pronoun to replace Priyal. So first we use Priyal and then we can replace Priyal with she. Now, so pronoun is the word which we use to avoid repetition of noun again and again in the sentence. And when we use pronoun, when the noun is already known, means as in the first sentence we know that we are talking about Priyal. So if first we mention the name of Priyal, so we don't need to write the name again and again. So we can replace Priyal with she. Okay. So now, means pronoun is the word which is used in the place of noun to avoid the repetition of the noun again and again and to make the sentence short. So there are so many kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun, then demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and interrogative pronoun and distributive pronoun. Now first we will talk about personal pronoun. Today we will talk about personal pronoun. These are the pronouns which are used for 3 persons: person is speaking, I, we, me, us, mine, my, etc. Person is spoken to, you, your and yours, and person is spoken of, she, he, it, they, her, his, their, it. Means when we are talking about ourselves, so it is personal pronoun. When we are talking about any other, to other person, means suppose I am talking to you, means you are in front of, as we are in the classroom and as I am your English teacher, and suppose we are in the classroom and I am talking to you. I am talking to you and we are talking about game teacher. We are talking about game teacher. So I means me is first person and you are second person and game teacher is थर्ड पर्सन. मीन्स क्लास जो दो लोग आपस में बात कर रहे हैं तो एक क्या है जो आई है, जो मैं है, मीन्स मैं, वी, हमारा, हम, ये सब क्या है, ये सब फर्स्ट पर्सन है. और यू, तुम, तुम्हारा, ये सब क्या है, सेकंड पर्सन. और हम जिसके बारे में बात करते हैं जो प्रेजेंट नहीं है या फिर है भी तो जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो क्या हो जाता है, वो थर्ड पर्सन हो जाता है. एज the teacher is yes, I said to you that Rohit is not a good boy. So I is first person, you are second person and Rohit is third person. Okay. For example, I am learning grammar. So I am talking about myself. I is first person and they, us, they third person and us first person. Means जहाँ पे क्लास I, me, us, our means मैं और हम वर्ड आता है वहाँ पे फर्स्ट पर्सन. whenever there is you and yours it is second person and she, her, he, they, these are third person. So now we will do the exercise class, then it will be clear to you. Take the correct personal pronoun. Rohit said this pen is mine. Mine and my is also first person but mine is the correct word. Yours and you both are second person but yours is the correct word. The boys have torn their clothes in fighting. They and their both are third person but the right word is their. She third person, my first person and you third person, you second person. So class, this exercise you have to write in your copy. First what you have to write this definition in your copy and then write the heading personal pronoun and draw 3 columns like this: first person, second person and third person. and यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पर्सन की जगह पे ये लिखना है फर्स्ट पर्सन, देन सेकंड पर्सन एंड दीज आर थर्ड पर्सन. तो क्लास यू हैव टू राइट दिस, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पर्सन डालो, लिखो फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, देन थर्ड पर्सन एंड डू दिस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ वी विल डू रेस्ट एक्सरसाइज tomorrow. For today, do all these things, write the definition, then these examples of personal pronoun and the exercise number first.